Suspected armed herdsmen have killed no fewer than 13 people, including 2 Catholic priests in Ayambalom community in Gwe East local government area of Benue State. The armed men reportedly stormed the St. Ignatius Catholic Church, Ayambalom, during an early morning mass, killing the priest and 11 others. The Bishop of St. Mary Hospital, Makodi, where the corpses were deposited, confirmed to Channels Television that 13 corpses have so far been recovered. The attack comes barely 4 days after the murder of 10 persons by suspected herdsmen in Guma Local Council. However, the Commissioner of Police, Mr. Fatai Owoshini, who is said to be out in the field, is yet to confirm the attack.
The herdsmen have just killed some priests and parishioners who went for their morning mass early today, and they were ambushed and killed at Ayambalom in Gwe local government of Benue State. We found about 13 corpses, 2 priests, a catechist, and 10 others. For now, these are those who have been confirmed, and now we have gotten their corpse and deposited in our mortuary here.